Hey everybody, it's Ty, Old Home Rescue, and in this video, I'm going to show you quickly how to install a friction lock. It's real simple, real easy. I hope you enjoy the video, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to quickly be demonstrating how to install and how a friction lock works. So there I have the friction lock. It comes in multiples of colors, but this is the antiqued brass, and I've got the screws that come with it that are a slotted head or standard head. And the tools I'm going to need to install it, real simple. I have got I'm going to need a drill bit to drill a pilot hole or pre-drill, and I'm using this right here. It comes in a pack of 2, and of course I've got it here on my drill, and then I'm going to need a slotted screwdriver. Now you could use the screwdriver, you could have a slotted bit on your drill. However, I don't really recommend that. It can damage the finish and break the head of the screw. Now, to install it, I'm going to stop here real quick and I'll show you how to install it. So I have marked that I want to put it up a couple of inches where it's easily accessible on my window, and I've marked it based on the holes and pre-drilled it through the window stop and into the casing. So I have it marked there. I pre-drilled using my drill, and now I am going to install it there with the slotted screws using using a screwdriver. And the idea is that and of course my sample has rope, but for a window that doesn't have rope or the rope is broken and you want a quick way to make your window stay open, the way that it works is when the window is open in any position there, the compression lock is pulled down like so that it pushes this metal piece up against the sash, compressing it against the parting bead and therefore holding it open. It's a great, simple way to keep your window open if the ropes are broken or no longer exist.